Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create tab in Excel. So let's start this Excel. Here you can see the file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review. These are the tab. Okay. So here you can create your own tab also. So I create here the ABC tab and you can add here the different option. Those are used daily basis. Okay. So just go to the file tab to create a new tab. Click on the mode and click on the option. And here you can see the Excel option dialog box is open. Then click on the customize ribbon and here the commands list and the tab list. So these are the all tabs. So home, insert, drop, page layout, and the ABC is the last one. Okay. So to create tab, just click on the new tab option. Here the new tab it's created. Just click on it. Then click on the rename. You can rename this tab. So I just enter here the PND tech. Then click on the OK. So tab is created. In new group, so you can edit the rename. Rename also the group. So just click on it. Again, click on the rename. So I just enter the group name. So tech one. And you can select here the symbol also. So I select this orange symbol and click on OK. Here you can see in PND Tech tab, one group is a Tech 1. Okay, is created. So if you want to add any commands in this group, you can add it. Just select this group and select here the command. Suppose I want to click on the add this fill color command in this tech group. Okay, so select the command fill color. Then here have an option add. Just click on that. You can see in tech group in PND Tech tab in the Tech group, the one command is added. If you want to add more, just click on the command and click on the add. The second option is added here. Second command is added here. After that, just click on the OK. And that's it. Your tab is created. See here the PND Tech and two command is added. So you can add here the commandos are used to regular basis. It's too helpful. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.